Who needs protein the most? People who want to build muscles? People who want to maintain vitality as they age? People who need growth and development? People who seek healthy, beautiful hair and skin? The answer is all of the above. Protein is an essential nutrient that your body needs to replenish every day. It's the building blocks of your cells. That's why Nutrilite created the healthiest form of protein. Nutrilite all-plant protein powder. Made with soybean, pea, and wheat, grown on eco-friendly farms. With strict quality assurance from harvesting to processing. Nutrilite only uses plant ingredients, without the concerns of cholesterol, lactose, and fat found in animal protein, to create a complete and balanced, optimal protein, while containing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need every single day. Optimal protein for all, created with the best of nature and the best of science. For better health and beauty, take all-plant protein every day. Nutrilite all-plant protein powder.